Okay, let's see, what am I?
Truckee Tahoe Airport. Automated weather observation. 1717 Zulu. Weather. Wind 270 at 4. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 21 Celsius.
It's 270.
Minus 3.
At
Altimeter 3022. Remarks. Density altitude 7,600.
118.3. Truckee ground, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is a transient parking, taxi 29.
We're 9501 Whiskey, Truckee ground. Did you have the weather?
Affirmative, we have the minute weather.
9501 Whiskey, Truckee ground, runway 29, taxi via Quebec, Golf, Alpha, hold short runway 20.
Quebec, Golf, Alpha, hold short runway 20, to runway 29. Quebec, Golf, Alpha.
And Ops 3, clear of all movement areas. Thanks, guys.
Ops 3, thanks.
Okay, we are on Quebec.
Golf.
Truckee ground, Diamond 446 Delta Bravo to transient parking.
Diamond 446 Delta Bravo, Truckee ground, taxi at transient parking.
Taxi transient, Diamond 446 Delta Bravo.
Diamond 6 Delta Bravo, actually, taxi up to hold short of the ramp for traffic right to left.
Yeah, traffic inside, Diamond 446 Delta Bravo.
Diamond 6 Delta Bravo, behind the Cessna, taxi to transient.
And then behind the Cessna to transient, Diamond 446 Delta Bravo.
Okay, we're waiting for Golf.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're still on Golf, Quebec.
This is Foxtrot.
Go to Alpha, right?
And this is my hold short.
This is Alpha right here.
Yeah, I think there's some traffic taking off there, look at that. Yeah, this is Alpha, but we're gonna hold short, runway 20. Oh, he's pushing a glider. Pulling a glider, I should say.
November 01 Whiskey, cross runway 20 at Alpha.
Cross 20 at Alpha, 9501 Whiskey. And Truckee Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is holding short 29, request straight out departure for altitude 360 by the lake, later to Lake Tahoe.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, Truckee Tower, fly the bypass departure, and then if you want to go north to climb, you can do that, or else you can just follow Highway 80 to Donner, runway 29 are clear for takeoff.
29 clear for takeoff. I'm familiar with bypass departure, 9501 Whiskey.
Number 01 Whiskey, when you get to the 11 number, slight right turn, follow the bypass until it intersects with Highway 80. Clear for takeoff, traffic 2 mile final, runway 20.
Clear for takeoff, runway 29, the bypass departure, 9501 Whiskey.
Number 0 Zulu Foxtrot, that traffic I quoted to you earlier is at the scales right now below you. They'll be landing 20, and continue.
TVM 0 Zulu Foxtrot will continue searching, and we'll continue.
They're below you now.
Full
Jump 1 traffic departing runway 29 or runway 20, cleared line.
Much slower acceleration. We are flap stand. Line up on the runway. Everything is in the green. We are 40 knots.
Truckee Tower, all skydivers on the ground.
45.
Thank you.
50. 55. Push back. Okay, a little nose down, and let's accelerate. I am flap stand. Looking good. And here we go.
November 01 Whiskey, when you get just past the 11 numbers, it's a right turn to about 300 to intersect you'll follow the bypass to 80. A really good place to climb is to go north toward the reservoirs. So if you want to do that, and then let me know when you want to get on course.
Okay, sounds good. We're going to hang a right turn along 80, and we are going to go to the reservoirs. 9501 Whiskey.
All right, thanks, sir. TBM 0 Zulu Foxtrot, runway 29 are cleared to land. Traffic short, final runway 20.
Clear to land, runway 29 or TBM 0 Zulu Foxtrot.
Okay, flap stand, 70 knots. We're climbing at 4... No, we're not climbing now. 500
Jump
feet
on,
a
thank
minute.
you.
There's some reservoirs right there, so that's where I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna put my nose down and accelerate a little bit and get my flaps up. Okay, there we go, flaps up. Ooh, you feel that?
Yeah.
There's my 79, nose up. There you go, look at that speed.
That's nice.
Yeah. There's the scales right there, in case they ever say anything about the scales. Okay, we can actually we can climb a little bit better here. We got good speed. See, this is what we have to clear, is back over there.
Yep.
Oh, we have a good. We're gonna have a good climb rate. And not anymore. We have 200-foot climb.
Morning, Truckee. Skywagon 2099 X-ray, 9,500 feet, just north of Kings Beach, transiting westbound. Just want you to know I'm here.
November 2099 X-ray, Truckee Tower, traveling which way?
We're heading northwestbound towards Ukiah, California.
November 909 X-ray, thank you. Traffic coming up off your left, 2 miles, altitude indicates 10,000, appears to be eastbound. And Truckee altimeter 3022.
3022, okay, thanks. And if it gets a little close, we'll descend down to 900,000 until we go higher later with the mountains.
November 909 X-ray, thank you. Previous traffic is just ahead to your left now, less than a mile, 10,000 indicated. It looks like they might be descending.
Okay, we've got to turn left.
Could be a glider too.
909 X-ray.
Green tow not in sight. There's a Cessna, might be your vicinity, just along the
Oh, we got a glider too over here. 909 X-ray.
909 X-ray, thank you.
Yeah, hopping inside as well, green tow.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do one more 360.
TBM 0 Zulu Foxtrot, make that next left turn and contact run 118.3 off the runway. Good morning.
118.3, one sir off, left on Foxtrot. You have a great day, TBM 0 Zulu Foxtrot.
Thank you, too.
Actually, let's depart on course.
Gonna clear the runway.
Gonna go right there.
Cherokee 01 Whiskey, advise when you're on course.
We are a Skyhawk 950 Whiskey on course now, Niner.
Cessna 01, thank you for that. And which direction are you going, Cessna 01 Whiskey?
We're going to head straight ahead. Actually, we're going to go toward Incline Village and then down the east side of the lake, 950 Whiskey.
All right, November 01 Whiskey, cross midfield. There's a glider area northeast of the airport, so if you cross midfield and get about 5 miles south, then you can resume on navigation. That'll keep you away from gliders.
Okay, that's perfect. We'll cross midfield, 950 Whiskey.
Thank you.
Can you look up the weather for South Lake, and let's get it in the second radio.
Truckee ground, Soros 57 Papa Golf at West End parking, ready to taxi. I have the weather. Request taxi to runway 29er for westward departure.
For taxi, contact ground control 118.3.
Sorry about that, 118.3.
No worries.
There's the lake now.
X-ray will begin a slow descent to 8,500 feet.
November 909 X-ray, thank you. For exchange your discretion, Oakland Center's 127.905. If you'd like advisories.
127.905. Thank you very much for that. We'll hang with you just for a little bit longer.
All right, see ya.
Okay, take care.
Truckee Tower, Skyline 550.
That's my weather.
See.
Skyline 550 Whiskey Papa Truckee ground runway 29 are cleared for takeoff on the bypass, then on course. What's your direction after the bypass?
North to Lake Tahoe. There with Papa.
North to Lake Tahoe?
Let's see. Well, Port Lake Tahoe. I don't know what the heck direction is.
All right, we're at 65 degrees. Let's continue a little more lean out here. And we are at full power. All right, 8,500 is going to be our altitude. And let's accelerate.
And remember, sir, Whiskey Papa, if you wanted to make the northbound turn, get some altitude, and come back over the top for Lake Tahoe, that's, I don't know if that's what you wanted to do.
Yes, that would be my left. And go that way. Is that right there, Whiskey Papa?
Well, what you can do is you can take to Highway 80. If you need to get some altitude, you can go north. That's a good place to climb over the reservoirs. Or you can do the bypass, go to Highway 80, and then make the left turn out for a kind of a left downwind departure toward Lake Tahoe. It just depends on if you want to get some altitude out there.
I think I can make it. You make a left here and just kind of go up and over and around, if that's okay. Zero Whiskey Papa.
Okay, well, you've missed the bypass, so might as well continue on now. Just go ahead. Yes, you can start your left turn. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm unfamiliar with the area. Sorry.
There's the lake.
The lake is here.
So 01 Whiskey, frequency change approved. Good morning.
Frequency change approved. 950 Whiskey, thanks.